Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I am giving best new NEET JEE Class 12 most expected questions from previous year MCQ. My mail ID is here, my YouTube channel ID is given here. The question is straight away go to the question, go into question. The circuit is given. The circuit contains a capacitor whose capacitance is 10 microfarads. It is connected to AC source 210 volts and frequency is 50 hertz. Now asking you to find out what is peak current. What is the formula for peak current? Peak current is IP is equal to root 2 times of IRMS. So IRMS we don't know. Then go for IRMS. IRMS is equal to VRMS divided by XC. That VRMS is already given. This is called VRMS. That is 210. And write straight away 210 volts divided by XC. XC can be written as 1 by 2 pi FC. If you calculate this, you will get 1 volts divided by the value XC is approximately 318.5. This value you will get 0.66. So substituting in the formula IP is equal to root 2 times. Root 2 times means 1.4 into 0.66 approximately equal to 0.93. Hope you understand this is the way which you have to do the problem. Same way here, once again, I repeat here, the question given here is capacitance 10 microfarad, RMS is given, frequency is given. Formulas required, first reactive capacitance, that formula is 1 by 2 pi FC, which is given in the alternating current in class 12. So 2 pi is 3.14 into 50 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 to the power of, because it is given microfarad. So you will get, after solving, you will get this. So then next to find out RMS. IRMS is VRMS by XC. Just substitute them. You will get here 0.66 amperes. Then peak value is root 2 times of IRMS. So if you multiply this, you will get this. So option is 1. This is the correct answer. If you like my content, please subscribe. Thank you.